Welcome back to another video. Guys, because I'm not, do you know guys, that's why I'm not making video every day, because I'm planning what to plan to say, because I know you guys all hate my video. But if Focasal is watching this game is the best. And guys, leave in the comments what troops do you want me to train. Do you want barbarian and giant, balloons and dragon, or whatever? Because look at my train, so horrible. Why am I doing this? I'm really bad at doing this because I hate this. So sorry for making this shortly. I'll make another one if you decided what do I have to say. So we'll start. Okay, bye bye.